to my channel. This week has been quite peaceful, if that is the word I'm going to use, because I don't know, I just feel so peaceful in my spirit, and it's looking like it's going to be a good week, even though it looks like a lot is going to happen, but it's looking like it's going to be a good week. Okay, let me face the light so I can see you guys properly. Okay, so story time. My house help decided that she was leaving, and every I asked her what happened, and she's like, no, she's just leaving. And I don't know, apparently she had said so many bad things about me, and I just realized that no matter how nice you are to people, some people that want to live will still live. So I don't even bother myself, like, because I know, like, I was truly thinking, am I the bad person? Like, this girl literally gaslighted me, if that's the word. And I realized, okay, I'm actually not the problem, she is the problem. Like, there's nothing I don't do for her. But then, see, I've just come to the conclusion that there's nothing in this world that you can do to satisfy humans. Like, humans are humans for a reason, right? So that's it. And I've been doing my work steadily, my housework, me and my husband. But actually realized that really there's nothing we can't do ourselves. Yeah, having help comes with an extra hand to, do a lot of things. I still do my cooking myself, even when she was around. I still do a lot of things myself. So our living was just, okay, maybe the laundry part and maybe the sweeping and mopping. That's the only thing that I know that might take my time. But then I'm doing it. We are doing it. Me and my husband, we are doing it. So life continues in that sense. So you get. And this is me just putting myself there. A lot of things is going to happen this week. My husband is traveling. My son have this international day in school. I have quite a number of meetings in church. So many things. And let's just hope I'll be able to bring you guys along my busy yet peaceful life.
My best. Like, I love eggs so much. I don't know why my fat doesn't smell terrible, but then I love egg, and this is just making me the egg girl. What did you say, Josh?
I said, how will you have a baby?
Why do you want me to have a baby?
Because of this song.
Because of the song.
Yes.
Why?
Because it's because of like a family.
So, because the kids are 3.
Yes. Because the kids are 3.
Sorry, now I'll be another baby again.
Aww.
Yep.
You're joking.
I'm not joking.
Yeah.
What did he say I should do tomorrow?
Hmm?
What did he say I should do tomorrow?
The baby will come tomorrow.
Maybe you'll come tomorrow. Okay.
Sorry.
Alright.
The baby will come out tomorrow.
Alright, no problem. I rest my case.